Hi, this is Eric Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the suspension spring on your LG washer. These instructions also apply to some Kenmore models that were manufactured by LG. These Kenmore models have 796 as the first three digits of their model number. The washing machine suspension springs provide support to the drum, allowing it to move smoothly during the wash and spin cycles. If the suspension springs fail, the washing machine may experience increased vibration, excessive shaking, and a loud banging noise during operation. You may notice that the basket sits lower than normal with no water or clothes in it, and you may also receive an error code related to out of balance, off balance, or unbalanced load. If you need to purchase a new suspension spring for your LG washer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. For this repair, you'll need to disconnect power and water to the washer. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove these two screws on the back of the washer. Then slide the top panel back about half an inch and lift it up to remove it. If you are having problems removing the top panel, try sliding it forward slightly to lift it up. There are two suspension springs in the washer, one on each side, located here and here. Using a flathead screwdriver, gently remove the plastic spring guard from the side of the washer's frame. Then string some paracord or small rope through the underside of the spring to assist lifting it to remove the spring from the washer's frame. Next, remove the bottom of the spring from the tub of the washer. If you need to purchase a new suspension spring, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you are getting the correct part. The springs are sold individually, so we recommend purchasing two and replacing both of the springs. When doing so, we recommend replacing one spring at a time to ensure that the tub does not fall down. To install, attach one side of the spring to the tub of the washer. Then put your rope around the other end of the spring and lift on it until you can get it into the frame of the washer. Next, close the plastic guard to lock the spring into position. To reinstall the top panel, align it to the washer so that the rear brackets are towards the back of the washer. Then, align the tabs on the top of the washer to the slots on the bottom of the panel and set it into place. Slide it forward to secure it in place. Next, reinstall the two screws to secure the top panel. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.